Hi guys, welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to generate AI subtitles for your videos using VLC Media Player, or at least what you need to know about it. So first things first, let's clear up a common myth. Some people say VLC Media Player can automatically generate subtitles for your videos using AI. That's not true. VLC is a great media player, but it doesn't have built-in AI subtitle generation features. But don't worry. I've got an easy solution for you. What you need to do is open Google Chrome and search for video to text. You'll see a bunch of websites, but the one we're using today is Evernote's video transcription tool. Once you're on the Evernote tool, click Choose File and upload the video you want subtitles for. Then click Start Transcription. It will take a little time to process your video, so just wait for it to finish. Once it's done, you'll get a message saying you're done. Now just click on See Transcription and boom, your subtitles will appear. You can now copy those subtitles and use them however you like. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.